Okay, let's continue with appearance and effects. As you can see, there's a circle here. It has a black fill and a white stroke. I'm going into Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. In this window, I can control the scale, the movement, the rotation, copies, X and Y reflection, and more. Now, let's say I'd like to scale this circle at, let's say, 98%. What we get is a 98% of the original circle. And I'd like to add more copies. 100. I'll click OK. When we look at this circle, we can see that nothing happened. But if we look at the appearance, we can see that we've got a stroke, a fill, and the transform down here. So what just happened? The transformation that I just applied to the circle, it's affecting the fill and the stroke. Now let's say I like to affect only the stroke. All I've got to do is take the transform and just drag it on the stroke. And this is what we get. So the transform is on the stroke and not on the fill, and we have this. Now let's say I'd like to add another fill. I'll go down here, add new fill, and as you can see, the fill, which is on top of the stroke, and the other fill is blocking and we can't see anything. So let's change its color to red. Let's affect this fill with another transform effect. This time, since I was standing on top of the fill here, the effect will be applied only to that fill. So let's scale it to 35% and OK. So as you can see, we've got a fill with no effect, we've got a stroke with a transform effect, and we've got a fill with another transform effect. Okay, now let's add another fill on top of this. Again, the same thing. This time let's color it white, and I can copy the effect from here, from this fill to here, to this fill by holding the Alt. Now let's change this transform to 10, and we've got another circle in the middle. Let's even change it to 5, and we have this. So let's enlarge this window and see. So I'll just move it over here and even create a graphic style if I want to. And when I create another shape, let's say polygon, and click on the graphic style, so it's the same appearance but on a different shape. That's it for this lesson. Hope you enjoyed.